What is up, my friends? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to remove toy marks from your shower. Let me show you what I'm working with here. You see these little marks here? If you use a regular cleaner, you know, a regular bathtub cleaner, the way you would normally clean a bathtub, and your sponge, you know, it will not remove these marks. But as you can see, here's what we're working with. Let's come over here. We got some more over here, right? Right here, right here, and these are the culprits, right? Toys. They get in here, they bang around, and they leave marks. So how are we gonna get rid of them? This is what you need. You need a magic eraser. Allow me to demonstrate. So here's our magic eraser here. Gonna wet it, squeeze, to where it's just damp. Let's walk over here. All right, so you see that? Gone. Now you see these two black marks? Let's remove those. That one's gone. And right here. Gone. I like that. A few more marks there. Gone. So you get the point. That is how to remove toy marks from your bathtub. Magic Eraser did a great job. I will see y'all in the next video.